guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is a little later in the day and I am getting close to going to bed, but I wanted to film this video because I just got my Boxy Charm box and I opened it to just peek inside before I went to Walmart, and I figured I should record the video before I start hashing into the products and getting excited about them. So, needless to say, let's open up my October Boxy Charm. We open it up. The first thing we see is the typical pamphlet that we get, or card, whatever you want to call it. In each box, it says on the back you get 10% off your next purchase for IT Cosmetics, and you can get 3 free samples with that purchase with a specific code. And then there is a Boxy fact. It says September was a month of celebrations for us. Not only did we hit 1 million followers on Instagram, we launched our first Boxy Luxe, which is a much bigger box with even more products on top of the usual boxes. Products. So let's open her up. Inside it says Alter Ego. And then it shows the products inside and everything about them. So, the first thing we got is the IT Cosmetics Super Hero Mascara. I'm so excited to use this. I think I own like 2 things by IT Cosmetics, so it intrigues me because I want to know more and more and more about them. And this is their Super Hero Mascara. I'm excited. So inside, it looks like, oh, it's really big. Wow. Like this. Look how huge that is. It looks like it's big in my face. I think this is bigger than my Monster Big. It is. I thought this was a big mascara. This is the Monster Big Mascara, and this is the IT Cosmetics Super Hero Mascara. Holy crap. So then if we open her up, it's a nice thin little wand. We'll see how that applies. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I just can't hide it. Okay. Can't play around with it right now. So the IT Cosmetics Super Hero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara says wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. And this retails for $24 usually. Our next item is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. I like Kat Von D stuff most of the time, so this is exciting. I love her packaging. It's to die for. So it's like up top we have these roses and they're like super matte feeling, like really nice feeling, and then this is the shiny, has the Kat Von D stamp at the bottom. Very impressive packaging. Then you open it up and we have the lip gloss. I'm so tempted. It's too pinky for my lip look. But I want to see it. Ooh. Here, look. This could be really goofy looking. Okay. Okay, never mind. I guess we're just gonna put that on the lips for now. Just a little. Totally doesn't go with this look, but it's whatever. Okay, so the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick says enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. And this lip gloss retails for $20. And mind you, this was $24, this is $20, and you paid $21 for the box. So just like, be reminded that these boxes give you so much value for $21. It's incredible. And I'm a value lover. I love anything on sale that I get double what I'm paying for. Okay, next up we have the Green Clean, what is this? Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm by Pharmacy, made exclusively for Boxy Charm. How exciting. Oh, there's a little lid in there. Ooh. See if this would get off my swatches from earlier today. I don't know why I'm tempting to smell it. It smells good though. I can't tell what that smell is. I like it, whatever it is. I'm gonna actually try this tonight to get my makeup off. I have so much gunk on my face right now. So ready to take it off. And I will be using this tonight. Says this cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest of makeup looks, like this one. Just kidding. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long-wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing for your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. And that one is $22, so $1 more than your box value. That's really cool. Next up, we have the Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Lace Peel Bamboo Charcoal uses naturally blended peel paste formula formulated with bamboo, charcoal, aloe vera, and chamomile in conjunction with compression lace mask to support the peel process and instantly turn dull complexion into radiant skin with compression technology. So this mask says the detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. And this retails for $30. This is a pack with 2 in it, but it's usually $30. Wow. This must be a nice mask. Peel intensity level. Well, if it's $30, you better dang hope it's a nice mask. There's something in there. It's like a tube. And then something squishy. So it has a little zippy lock thing on top. That's kind of cool, so I can zip it right back shut. Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask, Lace Appeal. Here's the mask. And then, sorry if it looks a little different. My camera like died and I had to restart it and re-put all my settings. Okay, so this is the mask that comes with it. So it says you're supposed to apply this charcoal mask after you're washing and drying your face, and then you put this on kind of like a sheet mask and you line it up, and then it has ear holes for you to hook it on your ear, and then these straps down below go up around your neck here and hook around your ear also to hold this lace mask on your face while you do it. To be honest, if you were going to do a sheet mask, this would probably be more of the attractive options. I mean, it's kind of weird, but at the same time, like, you've seen people in a sheet mask? Like, sheet masks are not attractive. Let's be real here. Okay, I'm going to put these, and there's 2 of these in here, so you can use it twice. 3, 4. The last product in the box, this is what I'm really excited for. I have not opened this, and I haven't even looked. I just saw pictures on the Boxy Charms Instagram. Pull it out of the bubble wrap. And this is the Pur Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. So this palette says, this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look that you will totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. This palette retails for $38. On the back it shows kind of the shades. So we're just going to open up and see how it goes. It's got one of those little stickers. I know that the last Pure palette I got was actually supposed to be a contour palette, but it was too dark for my skin tone. It made for amazing eyeshadows, like a really natural eyeshadow look. It did a great job. So here's what it looks like. So exciting. And then this is the back. Okay, so it opens to the side, not up. You open it like this, and then it has these plastic panels stickered on at the moment. So we have 2 like blush shades, I'm gonna assume. These are kind of blush shades, and these are like bronzing and highlighting. Got this, at least, I don't know, this could be someone else's highlight, but this would probably be more of a bronze topper for me. It's very golden looking. So we've got this one called Enchantment, and then we have Twilight. So this is Enchantment and Twilight. Yes, I know my fingers are crooked. That's these 2 right here. Then over here we've got Hidden Secret and Reveal. Reveal is this purpley shade. I bet you could use this as an eyeshadow as well. My camera's struggling to focus. There we go. There's a purpley shade. And there is the pink one. Some beautiful colors. Aren't those so pretty? These are great. I'm totally gonna take this on my trip with me. I'm excited. I don't know what I use them for, but I'm gonna take them anyways. That was all that was in the box. And it was a great box. I love this box. This is probably, oh, I don't know, my second or third favorite box that I've gotten. I really love it. I'm super excited to play with these, and I'll be using them in tutorials soon to let you know how they work. Once again, I can say BoxyCharm is an awesome subscription. When you see the best subscription box ever, they're not kidding. It is an amazing subscription. You get great products for $21. If you were to buy no other makeup, buy foundation and BoxyCharm and you would be supplied for a good while. It is good stuff. I love it. I have not been displeased. It's great. It's worth it. Don't go out for a dinner once a month and you can pay for this box. Like, it's so, so good. Highly recommend it. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All right, I'm gonna shut up and go to bed because it is time to get this garbage off my face. I love you guys. Did you focus on the pink one? I think I just got pink on the end of my nose.